students, in the last lecture you have studied what is letter writing, types of letter writing and the format of formal letter. So today we are going to study the format of informal letter. We can write informal letter to inviting a friend, advising a friend, thanking a friend for spending holiday together, reminding a friend, congratulating a friend, requesting for help or admitting a mistake, or on many more topics. And informal letter can be written to your family, friends and relative. So now we will discuss what is the format of informal letter. First we will write sender's address. So we usually write the address on the left hand side of the page at the very top. The address should be accurate and complete. Even when writing to close friend or relative, the address must be written so they can reply back to the letter with easy. After writing sender's address, we will leave a line, then we will write date. Just next below the address, we will write the date. This follow the reader to have reference as to when the informal letter was written. He and she can then relate better to the content of the letter. And then again we will leave a line and then write salutation or greeting. So now since you know the person you are writing to, the greeting can be informal as well. If it is a friend or someone close to your age, you can greet them by their first name like dear Rudra. Or if you are writing to your relative like your mother, father, uncle, auntie, you may greet them like dear mom, dear uncle, dear auntie. And if you are writing to an elder person, someone you respect greatly, you can address them with Mr. and Mrs. like Mr. Sa, Mrs. Sa. Okay, so after salutation or greeting, we will again leave a line and then we will write introductory paragraph. In the introductory paragraph, we will begin writing the actual letter. The introductory paragraph sets the tone of the whole letter. You might begin by asking the recipient about their well-being. You may say that that you hope the letter finds you them in good health and great spirit. The opening of informal letter should be casual and comfortable. It must be formal and direct as in business letter. So after the introductory paragraph, again we will leave a line, then we will start the body of the letter. And the letter overall should be maintained a friendly tone, but if you have to adjust the language and the wording according to whom you are writing. With a friend you can afford to be very casual and flippant, but if you are writing to an elder relative, you must be extremely respectful and considerate. And one way to determine the tonality of your letter is to remember how you talk to the person in a conversation and then apply the same syntax and sentiment to the letter. So after the body of the letter, again we will leave a line and then concluding remark. In the concluding remark, we will write some of the reason. Some of the reason, that means like summarizing the letter. Say a meaningful and affectionate goodbye to the reader, and do not forget to invite the reader to write back or to reply to your letter. And after concluding remark, we will again leave a line and then we will write complimentary closing. In the complimentary closing, you can write with lots of love, best wishes, kind remark, your loving friend, and then in the next line you can write senders.